Hi guys, welcome back to my humble workshop. I received another guitar for repair. The guitar came in its original bag. This is what Soviet guitar bags looked like. The guitar is made in 1988. It was sold with this bag. It's made of cotton fabric. Very simple. With one button. All in all, the guitar is in a very good condition. It hasn't been played much, but there is a problem here. The bridge popped off. Here we have a gap. The gap appeared despite the screws used to bolster the bridge under these orange circles. The problem is that the glue used is quite substandard, and the screws are somehow put in the center of the bridge, while they should be put somewhere here at the back side to hold it in place. That is what I'm going to do now. I'll drill 2 new holes. I remove the old screws and put a couple of new ones to press the bridge to the soundboard. By the way, this is a very popular guitar from the USSR. It's so-called Soviet Ovation or Russian Ovation. It was made in Leningrad in late 1980s, and this model was probably the most sought after Soviet guitar. Look at the neck joint. You have to use a special tool to take the guitar apart. Also, it is used to adjust action. This is the only way how Soviet engineers made guitars. This joint was used on every Soviet guitar. A bolt and a nut. Looks like a diamond. A rhombus. The quality of how this guitar is assembled leaves much to be desired. Soviet industrial tradition. So let's now try and remove the old screws. A Soviet screw made of very soft steel. This slot is damaged. The bridge popped off. This is how the bridge was painted. Almost black. I wonder if there is a truss rod under this lid, or it has only ornamental function. The screw is loose here. The holes are too big, as well as here. Oh, there is a truss rod. A very interesting one. Let me show you. It has a slot for a flat blade screwdriver. The same problem with screws here on the tuning pegs. They are loose. I'll now have to undo all the screws and put something into the hole. I'll use toothpicks with a drop of glue, a blob of glue, put it into the hole, now an awl for making a new hole, and here we go. Let's put the screw back. And then I'll do the same procedure with every screw here. Now that the glue has solidified, there is no gap here anymore. Let's assemble the guitar, string it, and then I'll show you what the guitar sounds like. The flange is quite small here. I think it would be wise if I put a washer under this flange to prevent the guitar from getting out of tune constantly. All right. The guitar repair is finished. Let's now listen to what the guitar sounds like. Thanks guys for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.